In this tutorial, you'll learn how to install and operate the FrontFace Player App on a Player PC. The FrontFace software consists of two components, the Player App and the Assistant. The Player App is installed on a so-called Player PC, which is connected to the actual screen for displaying the content. The Assistant can be installed on one or more workstation PCs and is used to create and maintain the content. It also lets you manage the Player PCs. The deployment of the content and the configuration from the Assistant to the Player App can be done via a local network share, a file server, via a cloud storage service, or also offline using a USB thumb drive. To get started, execute the FrontFace installation package that you've downloaded on the Player PC. Then select the installation option, Install Player App Only, and follow the steps in the wizard. If you later want to remotely update the Player PC over the local network using the FrontFace Assistant, make sure that you select the option to automatically create a network share for the publishing folder. The publishing folder serves as a link between the Assistant and the Player App. In addition to that, you may need to make some adjustments to the Windows network settings so you can actually access the share. Now that the installation is complete, you can launch the Player App using the shortcut on the Windows Start menu. Since no content has yet been published, the Player App has nothing to show so far. However, as soon as you have published from the FrontFace Assistant for the first time, the Player App will automatically pick up your content and display it as configured. This process works on the fly and does not require a manual restart of the Player PC. To exit the Player App or to access the maintenance menu, either press Escape or on a touchscreen system, tap in the lower left corner first and then the lower right corner of the screen. It's also possible to protect exiting the Player App or accessing the maintenance menu with a PIN code or a password. This, of course, is especially recommended for interactive systems. From the maintenance menu of the Player App, you can also launch the included FrontFace Lockdown tool. This is a handy little tool that lets you configure your Windows system to run either as a digital signage Player PC in continuous operation mode or as a protected interactive kiosk terminal with just one click. Simply select the desired profile, modify it if necessary, and then apply the configuration to the PC. That was the installation and provisioning of the FrontFace Player App. For more information, we recommend that you check out the other tutorial videos about the FrontFace Assistant in order to learn how to create content and publish it to the player.